Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can catch the common whitefish in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. Let me show you my collection. My fish observation. And this is how the common whitefish looks like. And this is about the information. Basically, you can catch this fish in any weather during the sunny days, rainy days, or during the rainbow event. And it's active daily. And for the location, you can catch this fish from the Anen mountain lake. So you're going to go to the Anen mountain right here and go to the lake. Okay. Oh, wait. All right, this is the lake, and you can equip your fishing tool and start to fish here to get the common whitefish. Okay guys, and that's where you can find the common whitefish in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!